welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you found my channel. Today's video, we're starting off a vlog for this week. So today we're starting a vlog, which I'm excited for because I feel like I've been doing a lot of like get ready with me types of videos. So today's gonna be an actual vlog day. I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's start off by showing you what I'm wearing today. A lot of the stuff is from like TJ Maxx and Ross. So these are the shoes that you guys seen in my Ross video. These are 9 West and I got them at Ross for $13.99, which is insane. They're so pretty. And then the pants, I want to say they're from TJ Maxx. The jacket's from TJ Maxx. The top is from Charlotte Russe. And then today we have my quilted tabby from Coach. So super cute. I love how everything came out looking and everything. I'm feeling good. We'll see how my feet feel later and stuff. But yeah, we need to go to a CVS. They have like a UPS in there and hopefully I'm in frame. They have a UPS in there and let me go actually closer. So yeah, they have a UPS in there and I need to pick up this package. It's from Kind Science. I guess my address is wrong or something like that, like the street number. So they're holding it until like a few days from now. And so I'm gonna try to see if I can go pick it up because we have a few goodies in there that I'm excited to try. It's from Kind Science. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and look at the description box. That's gonna have a link down for y'all. That way I'll be showing like more products and stuff in there as well and like trying them out. So I'm super excited about that. And then I think today my husband's Stanley cup, he got one and I got one. So mine doesn't get here till next week, but his is coming today and I'm so excited to see it and open. I'm really excited for it. It's like the, I think it's called the chocolate. I don't know if it's like an extra name. Are we crooked? I think we're crooked. But yeah, the kids are dressed. I think Trey's done getting ready. I don't know. But yeah, let's get to the car. I'm so excited to open this, you guys. We just got to CVS, so thankfully they still had my package there. But yeah, we got some goodies from Kind Science, so I'm super excited to open it. All right, y'all, so this is what Kind Science had sent me. I absolutely love their products. I already use this one, the Radiance Oil, and y'all look at the packaging. I love their packaging so much. And then their exfoliant, their micro exfoliant, I love this. The ones that I just started trying out is this one, the firming serum. And did I try out another? I haven't tried these ones out just yet, but we have the neck treatment, eye cream, and then the hydration cream. So I'm super excited to try that. And then it came with this as well. This is so cute. I'm so excited to use these products. So if Kind Science, if you guys see this video, thank you so much. I absolutely love the 2 products I've tried out. So yeah, let me know, have y'all tried Kind Science before? They have really good ingredients. They're cruelty-free, paraben-free, fragrance, and dye-free as well. So they are a clean skincare brand. Where are you at?
You want me to put it back in here?
No, it's
Don't
fine.
put it back in here?
No, because it's whatever.
Right, you open
here.
it then.
No, you open it. It's
No,
yours.
you open
Okay,
it.
wait. Open it over here.
You open it.
No, open over here. That way I can actually record it.
Oh.
We just got the Trey Stanley cup. So mine comes in tomorrow. See how your unboxing skills are. Apparently people are collecting the box too.
That's nice.
It is nice.
Nice. Almost looks like the black one to me. Besides the gold.
Well, and then you see the straw has like the brown, and then this has the brown too.
Everything's like brown tinted and stuff.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Oh, y'all, I'm such a mess today. I think Trey's here with the food. Me love. Yeah?
Yeah, there's another one.
In the car?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Trying to get you. Troy got some, was it Taco Cabana? I'm excited to eat. So I am here packing still. Yes, go put it on the table. So I'm still packing. Good news, we found a house. I can't wait to show y'all. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show y'all. I can't wait to like make content in Florida and stuff. Some of the stores are a little like driving distance, so I might have to change like how many days I post and stuff, like when going to the stores, because obviously, you know, the gas, and also I don't know how much gas is in Florida. I would think it would be almost like California, because California was expensive when we lived there. Here in Texas, gas is like great. It's not that expensive. Like, it's amazing. But Florida, we're gonna have to adjust to everything and stuff. So I might either have more vlogs or like decorate with me's and stuff. We can do like get ready with me, like types of videos and stuff at the house. So we might be at the house a little bit more in the beginning and stuff. I still plan on going back home to Kentucky, which thankfully like the stores there are so close. So I'll probably stay there maybe a few months and stuff, and then like go back to Florida. Thankfully, like the driving and stuff isn't too bad. It's not too far. But yeah, so far I have like this room is starting to get like cleaned out. Well, I have a corner here that I like cleaned out, and what else do I have? Pretty much have like the boys' stuff packed. Y'all, look at my kitchen. The kitchen, everything is just obviously packed up. Hold on, I'll plug it in. This video might be short just because I have to pack. I need to figure out tomorrow's video, because I'm hoping I can come up with something for tomorrow and Friday. So this video might be really short, and so if you do see shorter content, like a few minutes or whatever, just know I'm packing and I don't have that much time. I'm trying to be like on a deadline to finish stuff, and yeah, I'm trying to meet that goal. That way I can like relax before we start driving and stuff. So it's a lot, but we're excited. So trying to keep like my spirits high and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, girlies, and I will see you on the next video.
Okay.